Now, Prince algorithm. The Prince algorithm uses by greedy method. In this method, edge by edge is selected based on the optimization criteria. And this is the procedure for Prince algorithm. Our step 1 is randomly choose any vertex. That vertex connected to the edge having least cost is usually selected. So normally in this procedure we selected by the which edge having the minimum cost, that edge is selected. Step 2. Find all the edges that connect the tree to new vertices. Select the least weight edge among those edges and include it in the following existing tree. If including that edge creates a cycle, then reject that edge and look for the next least weight edge. Step 3. Repeat step 2 until all the vertices are included and minimum spanning tree is obtained. Just see some example here. I am applying the above procedure for this example. Before applying this example, just see some example here is here. Just consider this example now. Before applying the above procedure, in our graph, is there any loops or parallel edges? First remove that one and apply the above procedure. In this graph, there we have a some loop and also parallel edges are there. Here loop means if any edge starting from one vertex again end with the same vertex is called loop. So here loop is there, just remove that one. And also some parallel edges are there. Here A, C connected with two edges and one edge is 4 and another edge cost is 5. So remove one out of these two edges. Which edge having the more cost, remove that one. Here this edge having the more cost, so I am removing this one. Now apply the above procedure. But in our graph there is no loops and also parallel edges, so we go with the above procedure. Before applying the above procedure, first I am placing all the vertices in the forest. Our step 1 is to select the minimum edge from the above given graph. Minimum cost edge. Out of these edges, this edge cost is 1. So this is the minimum cost edge. I am selecting that one and place it into the spanning tree. The cost edge is 1. Now find all the edges are connected with A vertex and B vertex. Find all the edges are connected with A vertex and B vertex. A vertex connected by the edges are 5, 10, 7 and 1. B vertex connected by the edges 1 and 3. Total 5 edges are there. 3, 1, 7, 10 and 5. So out of these 5 edges already one is selected. The remaining 4 edges are there 3, 7, 10, 5. Out of these 4 edges and this edge having the minimum cost. So select this edge. So before including this one, just check whether if that edge forming a cycle, then reject that one. If that edge does not form any cycle, then include it. Now find all the edges are connected with A vertex, B vertex and C vertex. Find all the edges are connected with A vertex, B vertex and C vertex. Here A connected vertices are 5, 10, 7 and 1. B connected edges are 1 and 3. C connected edges are 3, 7, 4. Okay, these are the connected edges with A vertex, B vertex and C vertex. Out of these edges, 1 and 3 is already selected, and the remaining 4 edges are this edge and this edge and this edge and this edge. Out of these 4 edges, and the least cost edge is this one. Okay, I'm selecting this one. If this edge is forming a cycle, then reject that one and go with the next least cost. But this edge does not form any cycle here, so I'm including this edge. Now find all the edges are connected with A vertex, B vertex, C vertex and D vertex in the above graph. Here A connected edges are this edge, this edge and this edge and this edge. B connected edges are this one and this one. C connected edges are this one and this one. D connected edges are this one and this one. Out of these all edges, 1, 3, 4 is already selected. 1, 3, 4 already selected. The remaining 4 edges are there, 2, 5, 7 and 10. Out of these 4 edges, 2 is the least cost. I am selected by this one. If this edge forms a cycle, then reject that one and go with the next least cost. But this edge does not form any cycle, so I am go with this edge cost. Our step 3 is to repeat the step 2 until to collect all the vertices, to connecting the all the vertices. In our spanning tree, I am connecting by the all the vertices. So this procedure is stopped here, and this is the minimum cost spanning tree. For this spanning tree, the cost is 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 equal to 10. This is the minimum cost spanning tree for above given graph.